Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're facing timeline view errors in Monday.com, like tasks not appearing, bars overlapping incorrectly, or dates showing wrong, don't worry. This is usually caused by missing dates, column misconfiguration, or view settings. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, check your date columns. Timeline view requires a start date and optionally an end date column. Make sure all items have valid dates entered. Empty or incorrectly formatted dates can break the timeline. Step 2, verify column mapping. Click the timeline view, settings, columns. Ensure the correct columns are mapped for start date, end date, and any other relevant fields. Step 3, adjust date ranges. If tasks appear off-screen, zoom in/out using the timeline controls. Sometimes tasks exist but are outside the current visible range. Step 4, check dependencies. If you're using dependencies, ensure they don't create circular links. Circular dependencies can prevent tasks from showing correctly. Step 5, refresh the board. Press Ctrl+R or reload the browser/app. Timeline glitches are often fixed by a simple refresh. Step 6, clear cache if needed. Corrupted cache can cause view errors. Press Windows+R, type %appdata %monday.com, delete temporary files, and restart the app or browser. Step 7, check permissions. Ensure all users have access to the relevant boards and columns. Missing permissions can hide tasks in timeline view. Step 8, contact monday.com support. If the timeline still displays incorrectly, submit screenshots to support. Sometimes back-end issues or view bugs need official fixes. Most timeline view errors happen because of missing dates, wrong column mapping, or cache glitches, and these steps solve nearly all cases. Follow these steps and your monday.com timeline view should display tasks accurately again. See you in the next guide.